Is your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi not working? A common culprit is SSID split. This is where your gateway broadcasts separate Wi-Fi names for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, like T-Mobile 2.4 GHz and T-Mobile 5 GHz. While intended to optimize performance, it can cause devices to disconnect or have trouble switching bands. This can lead to dropped connections and difficulty switching between bands. To fix this, access your gateway's admin panel by typing 192.168.2.1 into your browser. Go to Wi-Fi settings and look for options to disable SSID split. Merge the SSIDs into a single network name like T-Mobile Home. This allows your devices to seamlessly switch between bands, improving connectivity and reducing drops. After making this change, reboot your gateway and test your Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi channels are like radio frequencies that devices use to communicate. When too many devices crowd the same channel, it causes interference and slows down your connection. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone or computer to scan for less crowded channels in your area. Access your gateway's admin panel by typing 192.168.2.1 into your browser, then manually set your Wi-Fi channel to a less congested one. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to connected devices. If lease times are too short or the address pool is exhausted, devices can lose connection. In DHCP settings, increase the lease time to 48 to 72 hours. For critical devices, reserve static IP addresses. Always reboot your gateway after making these changes.